My dream on graduating from Penn was to be a voting rights lawyer, but I learned in law school that the business model for voting rights law is essentially non-existent. A plaintiff's lawyer usually makes her money by filing a lot of lawsuits on a contingency basis and then uses the fees from the cases she wins to make up for the cases she loses. But voting rights lawyers do not get money damages. What they get is injunctions against laws or practices restricting the vote. And so if they get fees at all, they're statutory fees that they get only if they win and only a percentage of what they spent. For example, plaintiffs who sued to strike down North Carolina's declaredly racist restrictions on voting about 5 years ago spent $21 million on the lawsuit, but could only recover $7 million in fees despite winning. This is why most, if not all, big voting rights lawsuits are paid for by donors, either by folks giving to nonprofits or by lawyers donating their time. But this is a modern development. In the founding era, voting rights lawsuits were fought for money damages. Lawyers made a decent living suing government officials for damages when those officials wrongfully suppressed citizens' right to vote. How can you put a price on the vote, you might ask? Well, the same way you put a price on Picasso. And speaking as a lawyer, we think that price is very high. Better economic incentives are needed if we want to protect our democracy at every level. There are 500,000 elected officials in the United States of America. There are 10,000 elections that happen every single year. We can't monitor and protect democracy on donations alone, and we don't have to. America, it is said, has too many lawyers. But it might be more true that our lawyers simply haven't been incentivized to sue for the right things. Let's make suing corrupt and anti-democratic politicians more profitable than suing supermarkets with slippery floors. By bringing back the founders' understanding of voting rights as monetary loss, we can truly make voting rights great again. Thank you.